In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access WordPress files with Cloudways using Sftp setup. Whether you're updating your site or need to troubleshoot, accessing your WordPress files directly can save you a lot of time. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Managed Cloud Hosting Platform Simplified at Cloudways. So pull up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudways website. It's user-friendly and reliable, making it a great choice for hosting your WordPress site. Once the website is open, the next step is to log in. Look up to the top right corner of the web page for the Login button and click on that. After logging in, you will be taken to your Cloudways dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your cloud hosting. It's designed to be intuitive and straightforward, ensuring you can easily find what you need without any fuss. Now, to access your WordPress files, you'll need to locate My Applications on your dashboard. Simply click on My Applications, and you'll be one step closer to managing your WordPress files. After clicking My Applications, you'll see a list of your applications. From there, find the specific application you want to work with. By clicking on the application, you're effectively entering its management area, where you'll have a variety of tools and options to configure your application settings. Once you're in the application management area, the next step is to click on Add Sftp User. This feature allows you to give specific permissions to a user, letting them access the application files using SFTP. SFTP, or Secure File Transfer Protocol, is a secure and efficient way to manage your files remotely. Adding a user can be particularly useful if you're working with a team or getting support from a developer who needs access to sites' backend files. It's important to note that while setting up SFTP, you'll need to establish a username and a strong password. Make sure to choose a secure password to protect your files and data. By setting up this secure connection, you can easily update, troubleshoot, or back up your WordPress files as needed. And there you have it, you've successfully set up SFTP access through Cloudways to your WordPress files. This method ensures a secure and efficient way to manage and modify your site's files. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on how to access your WordPress files with Cloudways. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.